Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 8, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot your password to lock screen and you can't access your device. So in this case, the best solution for you would be to try and remember the password that you used the last time, and if it doesn't work or you can't remember that password, then the other best solution would be to contact Google's customer service and let them know about your situation, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without removing all data from your device. While if you can't use any of these options, then the only solution remaining for you would be to perform a factory reset on your phone. Now, to do that, you'll either have to use Find My Device feature if you have enabled it on your phone. If you enabled it, then you'll be able to erase all data from your device remotely using your Google account. On any other device, you can access your phone and erase all data from it remotely, and this will grant you access to your phone again. Now, if you can't do this, then the only solution remaining for you would be performing a factory reset using recovery mode. We have a full video on our channel explaining how to do this step by step. So if you're interested, go check it out. And this would be all solutions that you have if you forgot your password. I really hope that I helped you in this video, and if I did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.